Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app version and OS compatibility so the background change will apply reliably. Open the app and go straight to Appearance or Display Settings. That's where the background option lives. Once done, back up or note your current theme in case you want to revert. You need basic permissions enabled. Allow file or photo access if using a custom image, because without that the app can't load new backgrounds. You now choose between built-in themes or importing a custom image. Pick what matches readability and brand colors. If importing, crop and scale the image to the app's recommended ratio, often 16:9, so elements don't shift. Once imported, adjust blur, opacity, or a color overlay to ensure text contrast. This improves accessibility and reduces eye strain. Make sure to preview on both light and dark modes if the app supports them, because contrast can change. You're ready to apply and save the new background. Tap Confirm so the change persists across sessions. Once done, test main screens and dialogues to catch any contrast or layout issues. If the background doesn't update immediately, restart the app to force a refresh. If problems persist, clear the app cache or re-import the image at a lower resolution. Large files can fail to render. That troubleshooting tip usually fixes the common hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.